I knew from a very young age that I wanted to run a company, but it wasn't until my father took me to work with him one day that I fell in love with engineering. When we formed Intervala, the first thing we said is that it's going to be a customer-centric company. And everything we do, every decision, really is wrapped around the customer. We manufacture highly complex electronic products in the medical, industrial, transportation, and defense industries. We have all the full service capabilities of some of the very large contract manufacturers, but because we're smaller and we're so customer focused, we can be very flexible. People often ask me, why base your manufacturing in Westmoreland? Westmoreland is ideal. I was raised in the region, and this building, the former Sony plant where I once worked, in fact, it was something very special. I really love manufacturing, so the best part of my day is spending time on the manufacturing floor. I've worked with some of these people for a very long time.
This place has been good to me. As long as I stay here and give my all to the company and show them that I'm dedicated as they are dedicated to me, opportunity is endless here.
Here at RIDC Westmoreland, it was occupied by Volkswagen and then subsequently Sony. We had to redo the entire infrastructure of the site in order to make it compatible with multiple users. We added a series of new docks that would enhance the access to various parts of this facility. We've replaced the entire roof with an energy efficient product that is going to help companies lower their utility bills.
Moving here provided us with the opportunity to expand and create a brand new state-of-the-art manufacturing operation.
One of our hallmarks has been reuse of industrial facilities. Part of that is really understanding your tenants. We target manufacturers because they create a large number of high-quality jobs, and that's what our mission is all about.
Like many other parts of the country, the region and this county were impacted by the downturn in manufacturing and its impact on the economy. Now we're transitioning into that advanced manufacturing, like electronic components and medical devices. When we work with the RIDC, they bring to the table, regional perspective, regional context, regional network. County brings in local companies, local advocacy. Each one of those is an important factor in making a project successful. Intervala is a perfect example.
This has been a company that's been a tenant with RIDC for decades. They're bringing manufacturing, family-sustaining jobs with high multipliers, customers around the world. We couldn't be happier to have Intervala here, helping to facilitate their next decade of accelerating growth.
And the future is bright for more companies like Intervala to come to the RIDC Westmoreland site to be part of this manufacturing community.
It's wonderful to see this campus find new life as a high-growth manufacturing hub.